Hallstyling. Today I'm going to be showing you a new product from Bumble and Bumble. They are their Pret-a-powder Tres Invisible dry shampoo. Now there's two different ones for two different types of hair. So I'm going to demonstrate on, this is the old baked bean. In our family, that's Connie Rhymes slang for the old queen, my mother. Are you alright, Julia?
I'm alright, fine.
Very good. She's a very willing assistant. I'm going to show you in three different types of hair how this works and why it's a must share that it's a great dry shampoo. So, first of all, I'm going to show you the Nourishing one. Now, so this is the Bumble and Bumble Pret-a-powder Tres Invisible Nourishing Dry Shampoo. This is the Nourishing one. This is for medium to thick curly hair. Now the reason for this, why they've done two separate ones, is that when you have thick hair, dry shampoo, normally if your hair is thick or it's curly, it's normally dry. And what normally happens when you spray dry shampoo onto your hair, yes, it absorbs the grease and the oil or the sweat from your hair, but it leaves you with this matte, flat and very dry looking. So then you have to kind of put on maybe a serum on top of that, or a something like I would use like Brillantine, something to put a bit of shine back into it. This does that for you. So Julia, how many days has your hair not been washed for?
This will be the 4th day.
Dirty woman. Okay, so, and it is very greasy, which looks great. This would work perfectly for your hair type. Julia has thick hair, lots of it, very coarse, because it is, I'm sorry to reveal this on the internet, Mum, but she is grey. Look at my hair. This is what Mum's hair would look like if she didn't colour it.
It's translucent.
It's translucent, that's right, Mother, sorry. I'm not using the right terminology. And normally if Mum would use a dry shampoo in her hair, it would show when it goes quite white at the roots. And your hair actually goes a funny sort of flat.
Yeah.
And it absorbs all the shine out of it, and that's why you don't actually use dry shampoo, do you? You'd rather just think, I'll just wash my hair. But this is what will save you time in the morning if you don't have time. So as you can see, Mother's hair is very, very oily, very greasy, and really in the need of a good wash, really. But you haven't got time this morning, have you, Mum?
Nope, haven't got time.
You need to get going. So you're going to spray your hair with the Nourishing Dry Shampoo. Now, the best way to do it is hold it 10 to 12 inches away and direct it at the roots. What does that smell like, Mum?
Oh, it's nice.
Yeah, it's got a lovely scent to it, and it's to give you that just washed feeling. Now you can use a brush. I'm using my fingers, and watch how it absorbs the oil from the hair, but it also just leaves you with that beautiful shine that you really want to keep. So taking it section by section, to put Pret-a-powder on your hair now, all you'd have would be a lot of white at the root. It would blend in eventually, but that's all about time, isn't it? It's going to take you time. Look how quickly I'm working this product through your hair, and it's absorbing it all. Well, that's super. Look at that. And you can just go over as and where you need it. Okay, so as you can see now, look at the difference of Julia's hair now after using the Pret-a-powder dry shampoo. Look at the difference of her hair. Her hair now looks like she can go another day now and not need to wash it at all, with look at that, no white residue whatsoever in your hair. So how does your hair feel, Mum?
It just feels lovely and soft.
It does feel really soft, and it smells amazing. That smell in there. Now this is because it's got hibiscus extract in. Now hibiscus extract is well known for nourishing. It also it creates shine, but it helps to absorb the oils that are in the hair that are making it look greasy, but gives it that wonderful scent at the same time. So that's really ideal. The Nourishing Pret-a-powder is ideal for thick, medium to thick curly hair. This is the one you would use. Okay, so we're now with this is my sister Joanne, who's kindly being my model today. And she had, and let me just stress that she is my older sister. The amount of people that say, oh, where's your younger sister? Yeah, she's my older sister. Anyway, so Joanne has very fine hair, but lots of it. And this is where the other dry shampoo comes into play. And this one is the Pret-a-powder Tres Invisible Dry Shampoo. So this is not the Nourishing one, this is the other one. And what this has in is, it has French pink clay. Now when you've got fine hair, your scalp is more sensitive and it's more delicate than someone who's got thick curly hair. So with the French pink clay, that's going to absorb any sort of sweat and grease that you have at the roots, but it's also going to give it like a nice scent, but leave you with no trace of white residue. Do you like the sound of that, Joanne?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, so let's use this now on you. So you can see with Joanne's hair, Joanne washes her hair every single day, which drives me insane that she does that. But as you can see, she has very oily roots. So let's see how this performs. So once again, hold it 10 to 12 inches away and spray at the roots. You can smell that, Joanne.
Nice.
It's nice, isn't it? It's a really lovely scent. And once again, use your fingers, or you can use a brush to absorb the oil. Look at that already. That's really good. That's nice, that. So you can see how oily it is here. You even wince when I'm running my fingers through your hair. You're so head sore, aren't you? Very sensitive. So the difference that has made to Joanne's hair now. So you could really go another day now, couldn't you? Actually not washing your hair. Yeah, that's a super, super product. And that's worked really well on Joanne's fine hair. So there you have it, that's my demonstration of the new Bumble and Bumble Pret-a-powder Tres Invisible Dry Shampoo. Why they have to have such long titles, I don't know, but it's a beautiful product. And links will be down below if you're interested in purchasing the product. I would highly recommend it. Would you recommend it?
I would recommend it, yeah. It's got a lovely smell.
And this is a cover from someone who uses talcum powder.
In the past, in the past.
You don't use it now, obviously, because
I'm not allowed to.
No, you're not allowed to, no.
My hairdresser will tell me that.
He would tell you off. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, and we look forward to seeing you all next week. Take care. Bye.
Bye.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah.
Oh. Oh.
Oh.
Together.
Because we used to use talcum powder on the armpits. That little white film, and then you just have this dust everywhere. Coughing and spluttering.
Yeah, but if you put talcum powder on a baby's bottom, what's it meant to do?
Dry things out.
It does dry things
Yeah.
out. That's what I mean. It dries it out.
Yeah.
Yeah, you want it to dry out and take the oil out of your hair, but then you're
white
left with a white film and dry hair. It doesn't look shiny and healthy.
Exactly.
We don't use talcum powder, mother.
No.
But I know you used to, didn't you?
Years ago. Yeah.
And Joanne used to use talcum
Yeah.
powder.
Yeah.
Okay. Unfortunately.
The camera, not the screen.
Not the screen, the camera. More.
More. She needs more.
More with the old hair. What's going on with your hair?
I don't know what you've done to it.
So there. Okay.
There we go.
Are you impressed with that one?
I'm very impressed.
I am
yeah,
really
very
impressed with it.